A lot of times companies think about AI agents in a one-off basis. So they're building a AI agent in one area of the business, let's say around processing documents or helping perform search or generating claims reports in insurance. I think this is going to rapidly change. Instead of thinking of AI agents as standalone, you will need to start thinking of them as teams. So teams of AI agents that work together very well. Because just like you build out a team for an entire department that you run, whether it's claims processing or loan origination, you need people with different skill sets and they need to work in harmony. That's even more true of AI agents because you have AI agents that specialize at different tasks, whereas a human can be very, very proficient at multiple tasks. So one loan officer may actually equate to five different AI agents, all of them doing different things like document classification, making decisions, papering the decision. So you will have specialized AI agents that are built to go and do the work of a single human operator, which would be the loan officer. And then these AI agents need to work well together. So think of assembling a team of AI agents, and that collaboration among the AI agents is really critical. And so the next thing you have to think about is like, how do you actually go and orchestrate work among the AI agents? It's not enough just to think about orchestration among AI agents. Yes, that's part of the problem, but you also need to think about how you orchestrate work between or among AI agents and human operators, so the supervisors. Because at some point, you will have to kick off the work that you're doing via AI agents to a human supervisor to review, to weigh in on, right, to do the final checks. Particularly that's important in a regulated space like finance and insurance. And you also need to integrate nicely and orchestrate work with third-party APIs. And you need to think about a master AI agent that orchestrates a lot of that activity. So basically you have a quarterback that is working and assembling how basically the ball gets passed around and what formation you use, what plays do you call depending on the scenario that you face. So it's going to be very important that you think of AI agents in a systematic manner. And it's the reason why we built a platform for Agentic AI. We don't think the world in the future will be driven by dozens and dozens of narrow Agentic AI solutions, because if they're super narrow and they only do one thing, they may not operate well with each other, right? And so you have data silos, you have activity silos, basically actions that are performed by different vendors, but they don't sync nicely with each other. And so you get a very broken, very fragmented orientation of work because you're now managing 30, 40 different narrow point solutions that are doing agentic AI. And our view is that building agentic AI with this like team mindset, the orchestration as a blueprint, that is going to pay huge dividends. So I strongly recommend thinking about what the future state of agentic AI looks like for your organization. Do you want to go and manage many, many different narrow point solutions, or do you want to build this in a comprehensive manner from day one?